Hi guys, my name is Roger. Welcome to a new video. This video is about the coming weekend challenge. Because this weekend the challenge is very... Oh, wait a minute. This weekend the challenge is very easy, very cool, very nice. Because you are allowed to make a jam about your favorite video game or video game character. And I'm totally into old school gaming. But perhaps you're more from the new games. I don't mind. But you can make a jam about your favorite video game. Because I'm only hardware only. And this is the only software I like. But okay. To be honest, I can play the software games, but I also have something else. Old school hardware board games. Yeah, hardware only. But still, the software in this case is much better. So guys, keep it under 5 minutes. Make a great jam this weekend. You got up till Monday. Well, the hour I will tell you later, but weekend jam this time. Video games. You're on. Let's make some music.